Hi, everybody. Welcome to today's edition of Blockchain in Crypto here on April 22nd. We've got a quick episode for you. There's still a lot to happen this week, but I feel like it's going to come a little bit later today. So we're going to go through the rundown. But before we do, big thank you to LATOKEN team and to Maria for making today's episode possible. Make sure to check us out on LATOKEN.com along with VCTV here in just a little bit as we break today's topics down along with so much more as we're going to be talking about digital currencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, you name it. We're going to be talking about it later today as well. Join us. VCTV with investors will be there. All right, with that, let's get into blockchain and crypto today. DeFi, total value locked, TVL, just shy of that new all-time high we reached only a few days ago at 62.3 billion. Today we're resting at just around $60.5 billion. Again, still majorly up from this time last year when we were less than $700 million in total value locked. So we're going to continue to follow that and see how it goes. But that is important because Ethereum, ETH, is hitting rocket ships left and right now. We are nearing an all-time high, just about to cross 2,600. So stay tuned and more on that as well. But if you haven't been paying attention, some big news for you right there. With that, what else has happened in the industry? So on the blockchain side of things today, following the company's big $100 million fundraise we announced last week, NYDIG has announced today that it has acquired Arctos Capital, which is a technology-driven commercial lender that provides financing solutions to Bitcoin holders, investors, and mining businesses as well. Arctos will play a big part in NYDIG's marketing solutions business as the firm provides industry-leading access to Bitcoin spot and derivative markets along with data exchanges to their customers as well. So exciting to see that. Also following BitGo's news yesterday as they upped their insurance from $100 million to $700 million for digital currency customers as well. So continue to see the industry take shape. Next up, R3. R3's development fund has reached their latest milestone of $10 million in capital deployed over 30 new companies, 20 of which have seen promise and early stage focused on blockchain along with confidential computing companies as well. So a lot of companies building on the blockchain along with distributed computing, all focused around R3 and building on top of Quora and others as well. And again, it's about a $10 million that's been deployed right now. There's more still available. So if you're building anything on Quora, check out the R3's development fund as well. With that, everyone, I'm your host, Kyle Ellicott. That is the quick rundown. I said it was going to be quick of what's happening in blockchain and crypto today. More to follow. There's some great events going on today. If you haven't checked out, also look at Collision. We've got that going on along with a few side events and of course VCTV here in just a few minutes. Follow me on Twitter at Kyle Ellicott along with all social media to hear more on the rest of the news that's about to drop today and every day as well around the industry of blockchain and crypto. And join me along with our guest co-host today on VCTV at LATOKEN.com. Big thank you to the LATOKEN team and to Maria for making today's episode possible. With that, we'll see you soon. Everyone have a good day.